What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, back with another video. And today's video, we're actually gonna be unboxing the new Andis Phenom Clipper. Let's get it. So check it out, man. As you can see, this is the new Andis Phenom Clipper. Came out, I believe, earlier this month. Fort Worth Barber Supply just sent it to your boy. So if you're interested in purchasing this tool, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website. Not just for this Andis Phenom Clipper, but any clipper you see on the website, any clipper you see your boy using, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and use that discount code TANK10. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money. But nonetheless, this video, we're gonna be unboxing this new Andis Phenom. Like I said, I just got it in yesterday. I'm unboxing it today. I've never held it in my hand, never seen it in person, only seen it online. And I haven't even watched any videos on this because I didn't want to get like a biased opinion about this. I wanted to be able just to give y'all my actual opinion on it. So I haven't even watched any videos. But nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and start looking at some of the stuff we can see on the box. So check that out right there. This is the front of the box. Phenom Clipper, 7,000 SPM. You can run it corded or cordless. Comes with the DLC phase blade. Shown with interchangeable cover and grip. High speed, brushless power, up to 2.5 hours of runtime. USB-C charging and premium charging stand. So I think it's dope that you can charge it USB-C. And I think it's dope they give you a charger. But Andis typically always gives you a charger, so that's pretty dope, right? Go ahead and check out the back before we get to reading some of this stuff. Check that out. All right, let's get it. Removable, adjustable, DLC coated phase blade. Adjust from the 4 zeros to the OA. Blade fits dual magnetic combs. 5-piece attachment comb set included. So it has the Andis Masters blade on here. So that's pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? Like, especially if you like the Andis Master blade. I believe it has that same type of blade on it. That way you can use the double magnetics on here. Click, no click lever arm, so you can change it from a click lever to just a fluid lever. Brushless motor, 7,000 SPMs. Interchangeable cover, grip. Long-lasting lithium-ion battery. Premium charging stand, USB-C charging for quick charge. Clipper comes equipped with a gold cover and black grip. Secondary black cover and white grip. 5 dual magnetic attachment combs, so you get the 1/16, you get the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Blade cleaning brush, premium charging stand, USB-C charging adapter, blade oil, and blade guard. But yeah, man, check out the side of the box. But let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. I've been talking too long. Let's get this thing open so we can see how this clipper looks. All right, let's do this. All right, so we're gonna take out this box. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So once you first open it, as you can see, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says Phenom right there. Pretty dope. Pretty dope, Andis. I see y'all making some moves. 2-year product warranty. It teaches you how to take the lever out, but we ain't gonna mess with the lever right now. We're gonna leave the lever as is. Now, when you open it, as you can see, the clipper comes in a nice little white baggie. This is it. Oh, it feels really sturdy. I wasn't expecting it to feel this nice, actually. It actually feels really nice. You know what? Just by doing this and holding it in my hand, it really reminds me of the Babyliss Low Pro FX clippers. Really reminds me of that. Not saying it is that, or not saying that they copied them. I'm just saying that's what it kind of reminds me of. But it feels really premium in hand. Has some nice weight to it. Not super heavy, but not super light either. But check that out. Let's pop this blade cover off. As you can see, it comes with the phase blade on there. So this is interesting, man. I think I'm going to enjoy using this. Check that out. I think it's dope that they got a click lever on there. They also have like a nice ergonomic thumb groove right here. It's padded, you know what I'm saying, right here in the front. We got some grooves in the back. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of the Babyliss Low Pro. The way it's got the grooves in the back, it's got little grooves on the side, on and off switch on the side, charging port at the bottom. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So kind of sounds like a babyless clipper as well. Once again, I'm not saying they copied them. I'm just saying that's what it reminds me of. But check it out once again. Andis Phenom. Let's go ahead and move this to the side and see what else comes in this box. So we also have the charging stand right in front as well. So check it out. That's a charging stand. Put the clipper on there. Sits in there nicely. Check that out. Nice premium looking charging stand. And I was gonna show y'all, I don't know if I did, but as you can see, we got the charging port, but we also got a USB-C, so you can USB-C charge it as well. So I just wanted to show y'all that. But that's basically what comes in the front of this box. Let's go ahead and take this piece off, that way we can see what comes underneath. Now, underneath we have the pamphlet. We don't ever read that. We're gonna chunk that to the side. We get a charging brick, as y'all can see. We get a USB-C cord. So you plug that into the charging brick. Plug this either into the clipper or the charger, or the charging stand, that is. And then we also get some magnetic guards. So check that out. I think this is one of the first clippers that Andis has released that actually comes with purple magnetic guards. Let's go ahead and open these guards up. I have a set at the shop, but I wonder if these are any different. Nah, they look pretty similar to the original ones, but this is the number 3 guard. We get a number 4 guard on there as well. Here is the number 1. Oh man, and my 0 guard already came kind of flimsy. Look, as you can, I don't know if y'all can see that on camera. It's a little like bent right here, but nonetheless, man, we have the number 2 guard right here, as y'all can see, and then the 1/16 with the flimsy tooth already. It's all good though. Like I said, I already have these guards at the shop. But nonetheless, we get a set of guards with the clipper. Pretty dope. Let's chunk that to the side. We also get a cleaning brush. We get some oil for the clipper. And then we also get another blade cover. So let's open up this baggie. Or not a blade cover, but you know, the front face for the clipper. And I just ripped that bag all up. So we get it in black with the white little rubber grip if you wanted to switch that out and put this on there. I ain't gonna lie, that black would look dope, but I'm probably just gonna keep it like this and run it like this for a little bit. I'm excited to try this thing out and see how this thing works, right? But yeah, man, that's basically all that comes in the box. Once again, you do get the clipper. Check that out. The Andis Phenom. Shout out to Andis, trying to make some strides in the game, putting out some new tools. But we get the Phenom Clipper, as you can see. We get a charging dock. Check that out. We get some guards, as you can see, the purple magnetic guards, that is. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a guard on there just to hear how it sounds with the guard on there. So I'm gonna put the 1/16 guard on there. Sounds good. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to use that 1/16 guard. It's all good though. Like I said, I have another one at the shop. But it sounds good, man. We got the purple magnetic guards on there. That's pretty dope. But yeah, we get the guards, the clipper, a charging dock. We get the charging cord, a charging brick, some oil, a brush. And then we also get a different blade cover, or I keep saying blade cover, a different clipper cover or a different face to the clippers if you want to change that out. I might change it out and leave it all blacked out. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, man, that's basically what comes in the box of the new Andis Phenom Clipper. Now this video is just an unboxing. I will update y'all later on and let y'all see how this thing is working, give y'all some initial thoughts, and then later on down the line, I'll give y'all a full review. So give me a couple weeks with this Andis Phenom Clipper before I actually give y'all a review, but I will be updating y'all soon on how this thing works and what my first impressions are of it, you know, after using it for a day or so. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. Remember, guys, if you want to purchase this clipper, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money. But yeah, YouTube, I greatly appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.